All right, this is going to be a quick video because the weather didn't allow me to do what I wanted to do. I'm going to take a motorcycle ride down to the rapids and meet up with some whitewater rafters.
Can you believe it?
Just going to take a few more pictures. I may not have been filming everything that I thought I was filming. So I'm just going to walk back to the bike, get some pictures. I'll give a weather report later, just so you know. But it's approximately 45 degrees, which isn't bad for me. Probably 80–90% humidity. Rain chance now is down 10–5%, and it'll be raining again after 10. So the river's just gonna probably get higher. So that's it. I took the motorcycle down. We met up with some rafters, but nobody was getting in the water today. It was too cold and too rough for them. Please like and subscribe to the videos. It encourages me and helps me to make better videos. Have a good evening, friends.